how to find the number of no caller ID. Now, right now we're going to use an Android device for this tutorial. Now, there are three key methods to do if you're using an iOS device. While doing it on Android, you'll only get like maybe two to three options to enable it and to customize it. Now, first things first is you just need to tap and hold on the phone icon. So some Android devices, if you tap and hold the phone icon, it will show here. But on our end, it doesn't show. So let's just press on that. And then at the upper right hand of your phone screen, click the three dots and then go to settings. Now here, this is where you can customize your caller ID settings. So on assistive, you can identify business and spam numbers by enabling it. You can also filter spam calls. And then on the bottom of this setting, you can go to caller ID announcement here. You can try to have these one of these options to get your caller or to get that unknown caller be announced. Now, once you enable this setting under assistive, you can go to your call logs and then you'll be able to see the unknown caller's number. So that's how to find the number of no caller ID.